Rough diamonds are uncut and unpolished stones that come directly from the earth. Because they do not have the shiny appearance of cut diamonds, many people find it difficult to identify them. While professional testing by a gemologist is always the most reliable option, there are several simple methods you can try at home to get an initial idea of whether a rough stone might be a real diamond. Nampeshar 1. Visual inspection. Start by carefully examining the stone with the naked eye or a magnifying glass. Rough diamonds usually have a greasy or oily luster rather than a glassy shine. They often have rounded edges and natural crystal shapes, such as cubes or octahedrons. If the stone looks extremely smooth and glass-like, it may be quartz or another mineral instead of a diamond. Shmar 2. Transparency test. Diamonds have a high refractive index, which means they bend light strongly. Try placing the stone over printed text. If you can clearly read the letters through the stone, it is unlikely to be a diamond. Most real diamonds distort light so much that text beneath them appears blurred or invisible. 3. Water test. Fill a glass with water and gently drop the stone into it. Diamonds are very dense, so a real diamond will sink quickly to the bottom. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it is probably not a diamond. While this test is simple, it should be used together with other methods for better accuracy. 4. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are one of the hardest natural materials. You can gently try to scratch a piece of glass with the stone. If it leaves a clear scratch, it may be a diamond. However, this test is not fully reliable and can damage both the stone and the glass, so it should be done carefully or avoided altogether. Hashtag 5. Heat test. Diamonds are highly resistant to heat. You can heat the stone for about 30 to 40 seconds and then quickly place it in cold water. A real diamond will usually remain intact, while fake stones may crack. Be careful when handling hot objects, and do not use this test on stones you want to keep in perfect condition. Hash. Conclusion. Testing rough diamonds at home can help you make a basic judgment, but none of these methods are 100% accurate on their own. Many stones, such as moissanite or cubic zirconia, can pass some home tests. For a definite result, it is always best to consult a certified gemologist or use professional diamond testing equipment.